Busy day at work? Physically and mentally exhausted? Don't worry. Get our OB11 Pro Smart Sweeper. Lie down now. High value, simple appearance. One button start. Simple and efficient. Built-in 3000 mAh capacity battery. Long-lasting battery life. Easily manage 3 bedrooms. Bottom mixed brush and suction port. Double clean. With double-sided brush. Double clean. More thorough floor cleaning. Upgrade brushless motor. Strong suction power. Low particles and fine dusting. Cracks can be cut. 8.2 cm thin body. No blind spots were left at the bottom of the furniture. External micro-osmosis water tank. Even water discharge. Wet mop. Wash and dry for a cleaner look. Full functioning. Flexible overcoming of obstacles. During cleaning. Save effort and worry. Can also connect to mobile phone. App for remote intelligent control.